Ring Wired Doorbell. When you open the box, here's everything you're going to find inside. This model features a sleek new design. It's refined, modern, and it's going to look great on any home exterior. Because this is a wired doorbell, it connects directly to your existing doorbell wiring, which means you never have to worry about charging a battery. It's always on, always ready. There's a setup guide to get you oriented, your universal mounting plate and hardware kit, and a security sticker for your window or door. A simple but effective deterrent. If you've been thinking about upgrading your front door security, the new Ring Wired Doorbell delivers. Let's walk through the installation step by step. Download the Ring app if you haven't already. The app is going to walk you through scanning the QR code on the back of your device or on the setup guide. Go to your breaker box and turn off the power. Attach the universal mounting plate, then screw the plate into the wall. Connect the wires. Take those 2 wires from your wall and connect them to the 2 terminals on the back of Ring Wired Doorbell. Mount the doorbell. Press it into place. Then secure the security screw at the bottom. Head back to your breaker box and flip the power back on. And just like that, you've got a live view of your front door,